I hope you all are having a lovely day. It is so good to see you again. But if you are someone new, then hi, I'm Sagrika Yadav and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, and vlogs. And welcome back to my 30-day video series. So throughout this series, I've tried a lot of new products in my videos, as you must have seen, and so many products became my instant favorite. So I thought, why not bring all those products in one video? And the best part is, all of them are under 500 rupees only. I mean, most of them. So make sure to watch this video till the end to know about all of these products and their reviews. So let's begin. I have products in skincare, body care and lots of makeup. So face wash तो हम में से हर कोई use करता है, and at the end of the day, when you want to get rid of all that dirt and pollution from your face, you need a gentle face wash which doesn't irritate your skin but also gets the job done. So I have something for you, especially for all my dry and sensitive skin sisters. It's the Dot and Key Barrier Repair Hydrating Face Wash, which is made for normal, dry and sensitive skin. The MRP is 249 rupees, but इस वीडियो में मैं जो भी इन प्रोडक्ट्स का MRP बताने वाली हूँ, most of the products you will get it on discount on Nykaa, Amazon or their respective websites. I've been using this face wash from past few months and it did not irritate my skin at all. It is very gentle on the skin, it cleans the skin. So ideally, everyone should have a face wash that suits their skin type, and always go for a gentle face wash. If you have dry skin, sensitive skin or normal skin and you're looking for a good affordable face wash, then you should definitely give this one a try. The next product that I have is this Rexona Powder Dry Underarm Roll-On, and this product has to be an essential in your everyday routine. It doesn't matter you're a man or woman, you should use an underarm roll-on. As you know, India has a very humid climate for most days of the year, and we don't want that stinky smell of that sweat at workplace, college, or when you are going on a date to be present. We want to completely avoid that, so an underarm roll-on is very helpful in doing that. And also I really like this one because it has 0% alcohol, so whatever deos and sprays and the body mist that you're using, if it contains alcohol, it irritates the skin of your underarms and also sometimes leads to underarm darkening. So you can definitely try this underarm roll-on. And you know how much I love this plum body oil in the variant Vanilla Vibe. It instantly makes your skin glow, moisturizes it, makes you smell divine for the entire day. I don't think I'll ever get tired of recommending this product. It has clean formula, literally solves so many skin purposes at one time. Honestly, I love this one. If you want to smell amazing for the entire day, this baby is your way to go. So recently I reviewed these Swiss Beauty brushes, but if I have to recommend you to try one of them, I would definitely recommend this one. This is their Swiss Beauty foundation brush. The MRP is 349 rupees and this brush is so good. It's very easy to use, gives full coverage. You can use it for foundation, contouring, blush. I really love this brush. In fact, for doing my makeup today, I used this brush only because it's so faster applying your foundation when you use a foundation brush. So if you don't have a foundation brush, for a beginner, for starters, I would definitely recommend you this one. You know how much I love my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, but if I have to suggest you an affordable dupe of that concealer which only retails for 249 rupees, I would say this one. This is the Swiss Beauty Cosmetics Liquid Concealer. I have this in the shade 03. It comes in 14 different shades. There are a lot of corrector shades also in this one. This concealer is thick. It gives a really nice coverage for the price point. It has a very hydrating formula. So if you are looking for a good affordable concealer in your vanity, or you're a beginner and you want to start using a concealer, I would highly suggest this one. You all need a compact powder to carry for some quick touch-ups. Instantly mattifies our makeup, control any of the excess oil on the face. So for that, I would suggest you this Inside Flawless Finish Setting Powder. And this powder instantly mattifies your skin, smoothens out any kind of texture on the skin, and also sets your makeup And I really like the size and the quality of the mirror that they have given with this powder. It only retails for 249 rupees. Also included this powder in my beginner's kit under 1000 rupees. If you're looking for a good compact powder, you should definitely try this one. While going through Nykaa, I came across with this very unique product. This is the eyebrow pencil by Color Essence. This is their 3-in-1 multifunctional eyebrow pencil, which is waterproof, smudge proof. It comes with an eyebrow pencil, a filler powder and a shaping brush. Pencil retails for 399 rupees, a little expensive than the average affordable eyebrow pencils that you get in the market, but it has something unique to offer. So on this side you get a spoolie and on the other side you get this angled brow pencil. Now Miss Claire का eyebrow pencil भी मैंने आप लोगों को सजेस्ट किया था. It was only for 100 rupees, but उसका जो टिप है ना वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा ब्लंट हो जाता है यूज़ करने के बाद. बट व्हेन यू हैव सच प्रिसाइज angled brush, filling in the eyebrows and creating those brush strokes becomes very easy when you have a precise tip like this, especially if you are a beginner. But here comes a surprise. So when you open this in the middle, you get this, round stamp kind of tip. So this round stamp has a filling powder. Filling in the gaps in your eyebrows becomes much easy and faster with this one. So I really like the concept of this 3-in-1 eyebrow pencil. So if you are a beginner and you would like to have that precise application when you're filling in the eyebrows, you should definitely check out this product. If I have to recommend you one neutral eyeshadow palette, then it would be this one. This is the Swiss Beauty 24/7 Passport eyeshadow palette in the variant Nights, and throughout the series you must have seen me using this eyeshadow palette like a million times. I go back to this palette again and again and again. This palette comes with all the neutral eyeshadows that you need. It comes with all the party makeup eyeshadows that you need. I really love this palette. So if you're looking for a good neutral eyeshadow palette that is pigmented, blends well, and is very easy, pocket friendly and easy to carry, then I would really recommend you this one. Currently on Nykaa it is sold out, but you can get it on Swiss Beauty Cosmetics website and it only retails for 429 rupees. Literally you can create n number of looks using this palette. And the next product is my newfound love. This is the K Beauty Quick Drying Liquid Eyeliners. I have this in the shade Violet and Sizzling Mocha. In yesterday's video, you saw me using this brown eyeliner for the first time and I instantly fell in love with it. The formula is quick drying, it is pigmented. As I always say that a brown eyeliner looks much more natural and less dramatic when it comes to a black eyeliner. The MRP of these eyeliners is $5.99, but you will get it on discount on Nykaa for around $4.50 or something. I love the subtle pigment that it has and the glossy finish that it gives. Today I'm loving this amazing lip combo on my lips. So I started with using this Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Bobby Brown. I feel like this shade is such a universal shade. It's a very beautiful brown nude shade, and I think this amazing brown nude shade will look good with most of your lipstick. And if I have to pick one lip liner shade out of all the lip liners that I reviewed in my Swiss Beauty lip liner video, I think it has to be this one. So if you're looking for a good lip liner that goes with your nude lipsticks, giving you this perfectly lined, neat lipstick every single day, then you should definitely try this one. For this juicy, yummy looking lips, I applied this Swiss Beauty Plump Up Wet Gloss in the shade Barely There. It comes in 12 different shades and it only retails for 279 rupees. But one of my favorite shade is this shade Barely There. It's a very nice clear shade with a very slight tinge of pink to it, and this lip gloss instantly gave my lips this juicy, yummy effect. I don't know about plumping, if it did plump my lips or not, but definitely I'm loving the outcome. If you're looking for a good budget-friendly lip gloss to make your lips look juicy, yummy, expensive, then you should definitely try this one. And the last recommendation would be the Swiss Beauty Color Splash Nail Paints. It comes in 51 shades and it only retails for 69 rupees. I have this in the shade 02 and 24. Both of these shades are so beautiful and I'm wearing the shade 02 right here. It's such a beautiful nude color. I think this variant is the perfect balance between, not very bright and not very nude, like that perfect shade of nude nail paint. And I've tried so many nail paints, the Plums, Nykas, K Beauties, but honestly, this nail paint has lasted such a long time on my nails. It's really chip resistant, long lasting, cheap, and the color payoff is so good. So you can definitely check out more colors in this one. This was it for the video, and these were my new favorites that I've discovered in this month. The links for all these products will be in the description box below. You can also comment down and let me know which other product you would like me to try. We are very close to the finale of the series, and once again I would like to thank you for all the support and the encouragement that you have been showering on my videos. Thank you so much. But if you are someone new who is seeing my face or my channel for the first time, welcome to my community. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notification first. See you tomorrow with a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.